Whoa. Alright. Meg, I give you $3 to give me.
Oh, I think it's a snap.
The open writing table, that's... I can put my laptop on it. There you go. Look at that.
Oh, take it easy. Where we go?
Oh!
Come on, bro. Perfect my concentrate. Come on. Get my
Man down.
Nice. You know what I'm saying? It's like a bug. Why don't you do that? Because there's a vent, the wind from the doorway.
Yeah.
Pulling hard forward to the right. Oh, it's like an elbow, I got it.
Oh, take his head out.
Oh, go the other way. Trim, the other way.
You good. Now,
There you go.
A little more. You get it?
Oh, my bad. Oh!
Oh, that's some good shots right there.
Is he still going?
Oh, ready. Come on, Dale.
Oh, wow.
Come on, Dale. Keep pressing.
Okay, mid-air collision.
Oh!
Oh, stuck my thumb there.
Oh, Bigfoot.
Retard.
Come on, stay with 4 of them before they're on. Kind of tight. Oh.
Come on, get on my phone, bro. Bro, I can't see. I gotta get some air to this baby.
Oh!
Oh, wait, so where you at?
Okay, tiger shot.
Oh, yeah, you bastard.
Oh! Oh, man.
Man down. Oh!
Come away,
I went for the controller, he's going for the remote man. Oh, so he's closing up the section. Oh, the drift.
Oh!
The wind is crazy.
I think I'm dead.
Yes.